The Philippines has taken the gloves off in its dispute with Beijing over the South China Sea, with its top diplomat dropping the F-bomb as he demanded the withdrawal of Chinese vessels near the Scarborough Shoal. Foreign Secretary Theodore Locsin Jr. dispensed with diplomatic niceties as he took to Twitter on Monday, calling China an ugly oaf and demanding it get the F out to Philippine maritime waters. His colorful language followed reports that Chinese Coast Guard ships had harassed their Philippine counterparts in the vicinity of the shoal, which is claimed by both countries. The shoal lies 220 kilometers west of the Philippine island of Luzon and is within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone, but is also within the 9-dash line that Beijing uses to stake its claims to more than 90% of the South China Sea. Locsin's outburst is the latest escalation in a war of words that has taken a turn for the worse since March, when hundreds of Chinese vessels were spotted lingering near Whitsun Reef, another feature of the South China Sea claimed by both countries. The Department of Foreign Affairs in Manila said in a statement on Monday that China has no law enforcement rights in these areas. The unauthorized and lingering presence of these vessels is a blatant infringement of Philippine sovereignty. Duterte has also said he is unable to oppose China's activities in what Manila refers to as the West Philippine Sea because doing so would anger Beijing and risk war. He has said on more than one occasion that China is already in possession of the West Philippine Sea. In an online forum on April 28, former Supreme Court Justice Antonio Carpio said Filipinos should question this. Shout out loud so that President Duterte will wake from his deep sleep under the Kilambo, mosquito net, and admit to the nation the truth, that China is not in possession of the West Philippine Sea.